Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 0x0000409 exception unknown software exception error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error code 0x0000409, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Here you can see your view by, if it is selected as small or large icon, you have to select it as category. After selecting category, here you will find uninstall a program. Click on this. In this, you have to find Microsoft Visual C++. You can see multiple files are there of Microsoft Visual C++. You have to just click on this, right click on that, click on uninstall. It will ask for repair. You have to just repair it. You have to repair it one by one. You can see there are 3 to 4 Microsoft Visual C++. You have to do one by one for all this. If you are not getting repair option there, just select it and you will get change option here. Just you have to click on change. After that you will get repair option. You have to repair one by one. After doing this, just close this window. Click on search menu again. Then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you will type sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix error code 0xC0000409 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.